Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to reply to a post on Instagram. That is, you'll be able to reply exactly to a specific message from the chat so that it's clear to your conversation partner what message you're replying to. To do this, you go to Instagram, you open the chat, select any message, and do a swipe to the side. Now you can write a reply to that message and send it to your conversation partner. Perhaps you have been using chat rooms for a long time, but you didn't know about this feature. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.